10 ways to make someone miss you. The art of leaving a lasting impression. Hey everyone, welcome back to True Life Signs channel. According to analytics, 87.1% of you watching our videos are subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for more amazing content. Have you ever wondered how to make someone miss you? Whether it's a crush, an ex, or just someone you really vibe with, we all want to know how to leave that lasting impression. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful ways to get someone to think about you even when you're not around. But before we jump in, remember, this isn't about playing games or being manipulative. These tips are all about becoming a person who leaves a positive, lasting mark. So let's get started. 1. Be a little mysterious. The first thing on our list is mystery. When you're too available or predictable, people stop wondering about you. So keep a bit of mystery in your life. Share just enough about yourself to spark curiosity, but don't reveal everything at once. Leave them wanting more. Trust me, a little mystery goes a long way in keeping someone intrigued. 2. Be confident, not needy. Number 2, confidence. People are drawn to those who are self-assured. When you carry yourself with confidence, without the need for constant validation, you become someone people can't help but admire and miss. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about owning who you are and living life on your terms. And trust me, it's magnetic. Number 3, create moments that leave a lasting impression. Whether it's a deep conversation, a spontaneous adventure, or just having fun, make sure that the time you spend together is memorable. People remember how you make them feel, so always aim to leave them with a positive memory. Those moments will keep them coming back to you in their mind long after you've left. 4. Be independent. When you have your own life, passions, and goals, it shows you're not dependent on anyone else for fulfillment. This not only makes you more attractive, but it also makes others value your time even more. The more independent you are, the more someone will miss you when you're not around. 5. Don't always be available. If you're always texting back instantly or showing up whenever they call, you risk becoming too easy to access. Make them wait a little, and when you do show up, make it count. When you're not constantly in their face, they'll start to miss your presence. 6. Leave on a high note. Whether it's after a great conversation or an exciting event, don't linger too long. Leave while things are still fresh and fun, so they're left wanting more. When you leave at the peak of a good moment, they'll be thinking about you long after you've gone. 7. Show genuine interest in their life. Listen to them. Really listen. People love feeling heard and understood. When you take an interest in someone's life, dreams, and struggles, you create a deeper connection. That's something they'll miss. Someone who truly pays attention. The more you make them feel valued, the more they'll want to be around you. Number 8 is all about keeping things light and playful. Life's too short to be serious all the time, and the best relationships are built on fun. When you can make someone laugh and create joyful moments, they'll start to associate you with happiness, something they'll miss when you're not there. Fun and laughter are key to keeping their mind on you, even when you're not around. Number 9, leave something behind. A small, thoughtful gesture like a note, a small gift, or even a shared memory can remind someone of you long after you're gone. It doesn't have to be grand, just something that holds meaning. This keeps you on their mind and lets them know you're thinking of them. Finally, number 10, be authentically you. When you're real and true to yourself, people will miss the genuine connection they've shared with you. There's no better way to stand out than by being the best version of yourself. Authenticity is magnetic, and it's the reason people will keep thinking about you. And there you have it, 10 ways to make someone miss you and leave a lasting impression. If you want to be someone people can't stop thinking about, it's all about being confident, creating memorable moments, and staying true to yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips on relationships, confidence, and personal growth. And don't forget to comment below, which tip are you going to try first? I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, stay confident, stay authentic, and remember, you're unforgettable. Peace.